Minhasayo, for today we are putting plastic covers for the rain to not get inside.
Manggang mo nun. Ha? Manggang mo nun.
Tuloy na ay.
Lampas? Ang tubo, magkuhan. Hindi kayo dapat kamay.
Oo, di anak ko kami.
Nakaya pa ba yun naman?
Kaya mo yung yan. Sabaw. Ay, ngayon. Ito pa na yung gawat.
Already done putting plastic covers. Nocturne Korea channel, 감사합니다.
안녕하세요, students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so this afternoon our task is we're going to have a examination test with regards of the 8 parts of speech. Okay, so ready na mo?
Yes.
Okay, so you will use your magnetic board para maka-answer. Okay? So let's start. Mamina og tarong. Number 1. It is a noun, names a person, place, things, or idea. Okay? It is a naming word. Katudong pangalan sa lugar, pangalan sa person, pangalan sa things, or idea. So what do you call that part of speech? Kung si tawag ato, write down. Okay? How about other students? Okay, pagsuwat na, Ellie. How about Eliza? So, atong humanon ang tanan nga makasulat. Raise your answers if nahumana. Okay, raise na. Sakto na na. Di na mag-usab. Okay, tanaw. Ako rin mo tanaw. Itarong imo ha, Day. Ana, imo ha, Eliza. Unsa may tawag ato nga part of speech?
Noun.
Okay, so ang correct answer is noun. Sige, Eliza and Jillian May, isuwat ang noun. Isuwat dahil erase your answers. Okay, so isuwat ang correct nga answer para mahibaw sa spelling. Raise Eliza and Jillian May. Okay, noun. Naming words, ha? Okay, down. Next, Arita's question number 2. It is a word or group of words that describe an action or katong action words. Unsa to? Katong mga lihok ba? Katong gi-describe niya ang mga lihok. Unsay tawag ato? To ako gi-discuss. Is what? Okay. Correct? Si Sophia. Correct si Jillian May. Correct si Julian and si Ellie. Eliza, change your answer into verb. Action word to ang verbs. Okay, so what? Okay, Osbo, hindi, don't you worry. It's okay. Mag-practice lang gihapon ta aron maka-answer. Okay? The correct answer is verb. Erase your answer. Kana Eliza? Okay, very good. Next, erase na. Change na. Okay, so arita diri. It is used before a noun or pronoun to show or tell where something is. Oh, asa to katong gihatag na ko example nga ang ballpen naa diri sa lamisa, naa sa gawas, naa sa sulod, naa diri silawom sa lamisa, naa sulod sa akong bag. So what do you call that one? Unsa nga part of speech siya nga tells where something is? Unsay tawag ato niya? Very good. Jillian May, preposition. Julian, correct. Preposition. Wrong spelling, Dai. Sophia, please change your answer. Please change your answer, Eliza. Preposition. Preposition ang correct answer. Please write down the correct spelling. Okay? So, ang nakaget o correct kay si Jillian May o si Julian and Ellie. Pagsuwat, Ellie. Okay, very good, Eliza. How about the others? Pagsuwat na, Ellie. Okay, very good. Ellie, please write down. Suwat na. Okay, so timan-an ha. So tomorrow, we will going to have another activity with regards of part of speech. Nice game or nice kana task or activity? Ganahan mo? Okay, ugma na pud puhon ha. Okay, Ellie, nakasuwat na ka? Isuwat palihog, Day. Okay, tabangan na to si Ellie, guys. Ang answer is preposition. Julian, tabangin si Ellie. Faster, Ellie. Okay, correct. Ellie, study at home. Writing ha, para tarong imong agi as well as paspas na ka mo. So,
okay, annyeonghaseyo. This is my self-study students. And we have an activity. We are debating the advantage and disadvantage of grade 11 and 12. Okay, are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, start. Simona, advantage. Okay, stand up.
Why is it important to still be in grade 11 and grade 12 even though you can still work in grade 10? My answer is, it's important to continue the senior high, especially the grade 12, because if you finish grade 12, you can get a job that you really want since you're a kid. I know we can get a job if we finish grade 10, but grade 10 and grade 12 are different.
Okay, very good. Next.
Disadvantage.
Sa may kagrupo ninyo. Legend.
It helps them explore different career options and make informed decisions about their future.
Sabot ka ato. Ha? Okay, next. Okay.
Grade 11 is so important to the student. Helps their getting worse to help their parents. and always continue their working or studying always pass their work. And continue studying and to have a work and help their parents and have a good career and learn more than me.
Next. Geria.
It is so important for the student to continue studies on how to listen.
Last. Okay, leader.
We know that we can work when we turn to our right ages, and one of the examples is when we turn to 10th grade. But we still need to learn. In conclusion, schooling in grade 11 and 12 is not just about academic learning. It is about holistic development, career preparation, and readiness for the future. These years are transformative, providing students with the tools they need to succeed in their chosen paths. Therefore, the schooling system during grade 11 and 12 is essential for laying a strong foundation for students to thrive in their future endeavors.
Explanation.
Bisan makatrabaho na ta og sa grade 10, bisan makatrabaho na ta na dili lang kay dili na to ipadayon ang atong pag-eskwela kay pwede raman nga atong i-vote silang duha ka nang mag-manage tag time nga anak nga time mag-eskwela, anak nga time study nya trabaho.
Working students. Okay, very good. We clap hands for our group 1. Okay, group 2. The disadvantage. Okay.
We don't need to finish senior high because even if we graduate in grade 10, we're gonna find a job. And it's a help for our parents because we can help them and they doesn't need to find money because we're there to help them.
Okay. So, pasabot ato kay pwede na makatrabaho ang grade 10. Pwede na makatabang sa parents.
Makatabang na ng teacher. Kung eskwela ka, padayon ang eskwela pero nakakatrabaho ka lang
Pinasad ka, pwede kayo mag-working students. Kung mo continue, grade 11 o 12. Next. Very good kayo. Sige. Isa next. Shami. Shami. Basa. Okay.
We don't need to finish with 11 to 12 because our parents can afford the things we're going to pay.
Next. Iya po na idea. Next, Abigail.
We don't need to finish with 11 and 12 because we need to help them with house chores and to help them earn money.
So, pwede na dahil dili lang mo kuan kay para maka-help sa parents sa trabahoon sa balay. Ngik. Sige, next, Earl.
While continuing education beyond grade 10 is legally important for artists, there are certain limitations to consider if a study decided not to continue the formal studies. Here are also some social advantage or not to think study activity.
So, Dr. Earl? So, maulagi ang kuanana nga kung grade 10, so pwede na trabaho, tabang na sa ginikanan no, o niya ang advantage good sa mo continue o grade 10 o grade 11 o 12 guys. Bisan pa mag-eskwela, pwede raw sad makatrabaho, mag-working students. So, maka-help sa gihapon sa pamilya. Maunay punto. No, anya unsa may gusto ninyo? Mo continue or kinsa isa kamot mo continue be o grade 11 o 12? Okay, so why problema? Mo graduate gid ta ha. Okay, fighting. Okay, bye-bye.